Hi everyone! Look at the chunky pieces. Oh my god. It's really good. It's very light and refreshing. Oh, they smell so good. Today we are going to make a new recipe, freshly out of the oven. It's the banana rose milk tea with coconut jelly. So let's see how it works and let's go. You need banana powder. We are using rose black tea. And if you don't know how they look like that. And this is, as you saw, it's black tea with rose petals, and it's actually a special blend from Bubblish ourselves because we added the rose petals from Tuscany, Italy. So here we use the rose black tea, and remember, black tea, they are with caffeine, and for this bubble tea we could make a caffeine-free version with just the rose petals, and you could make a caffeine-free banana rose milk tea with purely tea that's made from these roses. Strawberry syrup. And last but not least, I'm gonna add coconut jelly as my topping for today. And for the last ingredient you will need is milk. I'm using 3.5% fat milk. And of course you can then use different vegan milk options, soy milk or even this one. And if you are thinking where we find all these ingredients, you could find them in our online shop with the link in the description below. And of course, you're free to use any kind of bubble tea ingredients that you find. So, let's go! Let's do it! Step 1, make the tea. Close it. Pour into the cup. Boiling water. Then I'm gonna set the timer for 4 minutes. The tea is ready. Super. So now we have the tea ready. We are gonna make the second part of the milk tea, which is the banana part. So banana part, we will take banana powder. 4 teaspoons. And 4. Yeah. And then next I'm gonna put my milk. A little bit. And I'm gonna put the tea. And we mix. Super. And then we are gonna put everything together. Take a glass, and I'm gonna put some coconut jelly. Just put as much coconut jelly as you like. For me, I like the coconut jelly quite a bit. Okay. Then strawberry syrup. Oops. 30 ml of strawberry syrup. Look at the chunky pieces. Remember these ice blocks? They are really useful for bubble tea because they are so big and round and they go so much longer. They keep your drink so much cooler for a long time. And now, put in the tea. For decoration purposes, I really like to put these little flowers that I have. They're edible, so how pretty the drink is. You saw how easy it was to make this drink. So now I'm gonna do a taste test. So you have the strawberry at the bottom with the coconut jelly. The coconut jelly adds the consistency, the crunchy, chewy feeling. The strawberry is really sour but yet sweet, so that adds a really nice contrast to the taste of the drink. Because at the top you have the sweet flavor of banana, so it really tastes full-bodied banana. So together, and you know what? With the banana, the first taste that comes to your head, it's really the banana flavor, and at the back of the taste, it is the rose flavor. So you could really actually taste the rose, and whole drink together, awesome, amazing, 2A, double A. I'm really curious to your review of this drink. Make it, try it, and let me know how you like it in the comment section below. Thank you and see you next time. You have the rose taste immediately flooding your entire mouth. It's really good. It's very light and refreshing. Super!